Hi, I am Satyabroto. You are in my Satyochem chemistry channel. In my previous organic reaction mechanism 1, I have discussed bond breaking and bond making. Now I am going to discuss organic reaction, types of organic reaction. If you want to learn organic reaction mechanism step by step, then click subscribe and the bell icon and let's do the together. We can categorize organic reaction into three fundamental reaction. Let's start with substitution reaction. Substitution reaction. Suppose think A bonded B, and I am not going to give very complicated organic reaction mechanism like using a complicated organic compound, but at initial stage just I'll give you example like A bonded B, like this type of uh, compound, like hypothetical compound. Suppose here let's think electronegativity of A uh, less than electronegativity of B. Then what will happen? A delta positive charge will be on A and delta negative charge will be on B. Now say another X minus a electron reached species, that is X minus. Now most of the organic reaction mechanism follows ionic mechanism. So what will happen, as it is negative charge and A carries delta positive charge, so now X minus will attack on A. Now as we see that normal valency of the A is univalent, so when X attacks on A, so then X is going to form a new bond with A. In that case, A cannot accommodate two atoms. Okay, so this bond must be broken. Now this bond breaks. Then what will happen? We'll get a new compound, that is Xa and B minus. So this is a kind of substitution reaction. B gets substituted by A. In another way, this reaction can happen. A bonded B, we know that electronegativity of A, we are thinking actually electronegativity of A is less than that of B. So that is why A carries delta positive charge, B carries delta negative charge. Here it can happen that before attack of X minus at A, B leaves from AB. Then we'll get the cation and another B minus anion. Now in the system we have X minus. Now X minus attacks A plus, then we'll get AX and B minus. Okay, so this is also another kind of substitution reaction. Now I am moving to elimination reaction. Now we'll think the fundamental reaction mechanism of elimination reaction. Suppose A bonded B and L is also bonded to A, and there is another bond AH. Okay, and we are considering that electronegativity of L is higher than electronegativity of A, and also electronegativity of L is greater than that of electronegativity of hydrogen. So which makes as L is electronegative atom, so L is withdrawing electron density, which makes H delta positive charge. Now say there is another B. So B, there is a lone pair on B. So it can happen, so it actually it happens that B abstracts delta H delta plus as H plus. So as B is abstracting H delta plus, then the bonded electron pair, that is a bonded electron pair in H bond, now moves between a bond. Okay, as then it will form a new bond. But we know we are seeing that normal valency of A is divalent. So when there will be, when there is a new bond is forming, a new bond is forming between A and A, then number of bond will increase to 3. Number of bond arising from A will increase to 3, but which is not possible, so one bond must be broken. Now this Al bond breaks and L takes the bonded electron pair. Now it is kind of L's, now L behaves as a leaving group because L departs from the system. So in that case we'll get AA, and there is a new bond is formed between A and A, so A double bond A new compound, and another product will be BH plus and L minus. So in another way these elimination reaction may happen. AA bond, Al bond, AH bond. So now we may think that before attack of B on H, L departs. L departs. It leads to the formation of a cation, L minus. Now A bears positive charge, so obviously A wants to be neutral. So how it will be neutral? So B carries lone pair, and we know that H carries delta positive charge. Now B abstracts H delta plus as H plus. Now the bonded electron pair in H bonded electron pair now moves between AA bond. Now see, we are getting AA double bond, and BH plus, and in previous step we have got L minus. So this is another kind of elimination reaction mechanism. Next one, I am going to discuss rearrangement reaction. First I am drawing the skeleton of scheme of rearrangement reaction. Suppose it is AB, this is another bond AW. Now B B carries either positive charge or unpaired electron. First we'll consider that we are considering that B carries positive charge. Let's see what happens if B carries positive charge. AB bond, this AW, B positive charge. Now it may happen that W moves to B by taking the AW bonded electron pair. we know that if single bond a single bond should have two electron. Actually, see, for the formation of single bond needs two electron, and it comes from AW bonded electron pair. A, B, suppose this is new bond, now BW. Now A carries positive charge. See, the reactant and product is same but different bond connectivity. That is why you are saying that this is a rearrangement reaction. Now we'll consider we'll consider the second option. What is the second option? That B carries unpaired electron. A B bond, A W bond, and B carries a unpaired electron. Now what will happen? W moves to B by taking one electron from AW bond. Then A B bond and new bond is BW. Now unpaired electron, A carries unpaired electron. See, again the main difference between reactant and product is different bonding connectivity. So this is how we can categorize the organic reaction mechanism into three basic reactions. First one is substitution reaction, elimination reaction, and rearrangement reaction. So now we are so in the organic reaction mechanism, so we are as intermediate here we are getting positive charge, and sometimes we are getting free radical, and sometimes we will get anion. So now as organic reaction mechanism, in organic reaction mechanism we will deal with carbon compounds. So we need to learn the organic reaction intermediates, but before before moving into organic reaction intermediates, we need to we need to have good idea, good knowledge on hybridization. Okay, in next videos will be on hybridization. So thank you.